Good morning, guys. I'm about to head out to the supermarket. Been invited to celebrate Eid today, so I'm going to my Somali family. Have some delicious food. First, I'm gonna enjoy myself, have a ride in the nice weather. I'm so happy. I bought one of them Faxicandi boosters, the energy drink I love. And then I went to check out this other town. Pretty interesting area right here. I want to go down here. See what's good. I'm just gonna look for a nice tranquil place to drink my energy drink. Actually, you know what? I think I'm just gonna drink it while I'm driving. I just gotta attach my helmet to something. Okay, not that interesting. Let's go the other way, see what's there. Ooh, I'm driving without a helmet. I'm sure I'll be fine. I haven't crashed in years, guys. But I have crashed before. That's why I always wear gear. Always, you know. Sometimes I'll take my helmet off if I need my mouth. You know? Okay, let's see here. Oh, that looks nice. There's a playground. The Danish flag, let's go. Alo, đi hello. Har du sett din far? Har du set mig køre hurtigt? It's so nice that this model has built-in Bluetooth speakers. I'm gonna put on some music while I'm cruising around. Just checking out all these little villa streets. I checked out a bunch of dead ends before. Oh, look at that roof on that house over there. That's nice. Oh yeah, this is how I'm holding my helmet, by the way. Check this out. I mean, it's about time they change out the hay on that roof, but it looks pretty. I like it. Good day. What a beautiful tree. Check out this church. Man, I love Danish churches. They're so beautiful. The portals and everything. You know what? I'm gonna go inside and check it out. There's a bit of extra area out here for some more gravestones. I'm guessing these have probably been here for a bit longer. Mostly 1900s, 2000s. Maybe the church isn't as old as I imagine. They're doing a great place maintaining this, or a great job maintaining this place, rather. Sorry, I'm still waking up, rolling around drinking an energy drink. I like these trees, trolletræer, or troll trees, with all the little nubs. There's something so tranquil and aesthetic about these old Danish churches and just how they make everything here with the cobblestone and the portals and the little hedges. I don't know, man. It's nice. You can hear the birds singing too. This is a pretty good start to my day, honestly, guys. Today's gonna be a great day. Oh, there's the groundskeeper. Working hard. I'm hardly working. Let's keep it that way. Well, I guess I am. Some people find it a little challenging to make a video diary like every day. You know, sure, I'm a little behind, but I'm still making them. Okay, well, gotta find another way. You dropped a bomb on me, baby. You dropped a bomb on me. That's what I'm listening to right now. So nice. I'm enjoying myself, guys. You gotta do this some more. Get out there. Come on. Get out there. Watch these videos outside around a campfire or out in the woods. Come on, just don't let this be your escapism. That's not what I want my videos to be. I want them to inspire you, you know? Go out and live some yourself. I know, maybe it sounds a little hypocritical coming from someone who's been living indoors for the past few months, but guys, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel, man. The nighttime temperatures are increasing. I could go live outdoors right now. It's just, I don't really want to. Like, my setup's not really made for the winter. It's like a 3-season setup, honestly. But yeah, soon, mark my words. I ventured over here into this tiny little village here, just a few houses. I had to cross this bridge here. I'm going back now towards the little, the big village over here, because that road just led me out to a bunch of fields and stuff. And well, I gotta start heading towards Copenhagen. I think I'm gonna just finish this one. And yeah, probably up to Copenhagen. I'm having one of the best mornings in a long time. Check out this vista. Oh my god, the marshes out in the background, the sun hitting the field. Oh my god, it's amazing. And I'm just smoking a cigarette, drinking my energy drink. It's nice, man. I think this is the way. Follow the way. You know, guys, I'm almost done smoking. Almost. I bought a pack of cigarettes for Moss. He's out and he's kind of broke, so I'm helping him out. But I smoke a few of them here and there. But I'm down to very few a day. You know what? I think I'm just gonna quit the moment I move out of here. I know I've said I'm gonna quit at this time and at that time and when the planets align, but I think that's actually what's gonna happen. I find myself only really smoking because I'm around people who smoke. And, you know, sitting around in their secondhand smoke is like, shit, man, I forgot I want to smoke. Let me know how you feel about these videos where it's more just me driving and checking out some villages. I imagine it's probably a bit more interesting than the videos I've been making recently. I can't wait to get out there. The videos are gonna get so good. I hope I don't go viral. Oh my god. I enjoy privacy. See all these YouTubers, not even that big, like a few 100,000 subs, getting stopped, all kinds of weird random places. Well, I guess it's alright, you know? I'm all for social interaction, so maybe it's okay if I go viral, but don't expect it, guys. I'm not really gonna put any work into thumbnails or into like search engine optimization or anything. I'm just enjoying myself here, documenting my journey and hopefully inspiring some people along the way. Okay, it's time to finish this cigarette, drink this, put the helmet on, and blast off. Alright, guys, I saw some girls working, picking up weeds and collecting leaves and stuff, and I was like, this seems inefficient. Here, let me help them out. I've worked with this, and then I just removed like maybe a third of all the leaves on the property. Just been dumping them over here in the compost pile. I think I'm gonna go hang out with Moss for a little bit, and then I'm gonna head to Copenhagen. I can't arrive too late. I need to hit that food, man. It's so good. I just finished helping out. This is what I've been doing. Just removing leaves from here all the way over there, and on this side as well. And then after that, I took all our empty glasses, all our glass waste, and I went down here in this direction to throw it out. It was a lot. They hadn't emptied it for months. But yeah, now I'm heading to my Somali family. We're gonna be celebrating Eid. I have to pick up a package. I think it's my perfume. Yeah, the Lord of Misrule from Lush. My Dutch friend ordered it on my behalf and sent it over because you couldn't order it to Denmark. I would have had to pay twice as much, but now I get it. My favorite perfume, the only perfume I feel like is even worth paying for me. I can't wait to be reunited with my own scent. Well, I mean, I have my own BO, but you know what I mean. I'm so happy these days, guys. I'm telling you, the commune life, I jive way more with it than I would have ever imagined. They've already hooked me up with other communes, like made me aware of where they are, and even I was even invited to a secret nomad, what do you call it, like a secret nomad meetup. Yeah, they have them all over the world, actually. There's a global one. There are individual ones in different countries. But yeah, basically there's always at least one going somewhere in the world. And I didn't really have, I was just gonna travel. I didn't really have any idea of where would I go. Like, I didn't have any stops, any points on my route. I was just like, I'm just gonna go out there and see where the road takes me. But I think I may actually end up planning out my route according to these secret nomad meetups, and yeah, just slowly travel in their direction, experience a bunch of stuff, and then end up chilling there for a while. Typical me, guys. I got a fine. I don't even really care. You just gotta be nice to the people who give you fines. Not to avoid them, just because, it doesn't actually really matter if you get a fine. They're just doing their job, Just send them off with a smile and a good day, I've seen so many people lose their shit over getting fines, trying to argue and even getting violent. Like, forget about it, man. Frustration is futile, buddy.
Så jeg bruger at fredagen for nu af.
Okay. Jeg tror, der var lidt mere optimalt at tage en pung med.
Ja, det er faktisk godt. Jeg faktisk
Så kan du lægge pungen i tasken.
Ja.
Ja, ikke? Genialt.
Nej, det kommer jeg sgu til. Nej, jeg tror, jeg finder en pung, og hver fredag tager jeg tasken. Det er smart.
Ja, jeg tror også, det er en god idé.
Men jeg skal se væk søge for det her.
Nej, det er helt deroppe.
Jeg sagde til mig, jeg skrev til på Instagram, jeg skrev nok nej, men jeg er okay.
Det er nej, men okay.
Jeg skrev nok nej, ikke? Men okay. Hvorfor siger du det? Hvad tænker du? Du kan måske ej. Måske vil have, hvis det er flere for nye.
Okay, here we are, guys, in Husum. I have been singing on the train today, just vibing out to great music. Man, I'm feeling good today. The weather's great. Let's go. Fået det her i lang tid.
Ja, jeg spiller med lidt. Kom her.
Jeg elsker den chili, det mor laver. Let's go. Round 2 fight. It's a full house. Basically all my cousins, male and female, are here, except for the oldest female cousin. She's not here yet. But one of my male cousins has his 2 children over and his wife. It's the first time I'm meeting her. I just don't want to film everyone. Everyone's kind of camera shy in this household. They got some gifts. So me and my cousin, we're gonna help him out build this. I'm a Lego expert. Let's do it. Check it out. We finished it. All kinds of. I ended up hanging out for a bit longer. We're closing in on midnight now. Gotta catch the 350S to Nørreport. It's gonna leave in a few minutes. We watched some X Factor, the singing show, whatever you call it, singing talent show. It was chill. Now I'm going home. It's been a good day, successful day. Let's get home. Oh yeah, check this out, guys. By the way, I forgot to tell you. I picked up my new sleeping mat with an R value of 3. So quite an upgrade. Also means I won't need to lug Dion's his sleeping mat around. He's gonna want to use that himself eventually.